There it is. I don't technically have an OHV permit on this. I should probably get one, but there we go. Yes, it's a green, but I'm also on a 500-pound adventure bike, so deal with it. Should get it in a second, though. It's so dark in here, man. No, it's not even puddly right now. That's crazy. That's a shocker, honestly. It's a faster to ride sitting down. I discovered one of these. Oh, there's one. I'll get a picture for sure. Slippery roots. Yeah. You guys may remember the video where I chased Nathan up this. He was on a 790 and I could not keep up with him. And I thought he was like amazing for even attempting it on that big bike. Even then, that was only like a year and a half ago. And here I am. You know, crazy what you can do. You just believe you can. Sincerely, we're gonna come back up this. We're gonna come back up this. And stop at the muddiest place to take a picture because it'll look cool. There we go, downhill. Whoa, I don't know what we're doing on the side hill there. I think what we're doing. Alright. Let's turn around and go back. Oh, no foot down. Damn, I couldn't do that even on my DRC back in the day. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'll take it. Tell you what though, I don't want to meet someone coming the other direction. That's why I was so slidey right there. I'm side hilling that super sloppy mud. I love the exhaust note on this thing. Don't you? Isn't that just the most beautiful sound on earth? That is deep. My feet are wet. My bike is muddy. Needed a wash anyway. I'm glad I didn't do it yesterday like I planned. Originally, because that would have been no good. 0% win. Look behind me, pretty cool. Let's take a picture here. Not video, bro, photo. That's what we're after. Kind of a beast in here, to be honest. Yeah, second's not great. Our first isn't great, second's a lot better. First is just not that smooth. I'm definitely sliding down the hills in a way I don't want to be. I don't have enough weight on the front or what. And we're out. Should we do one more trail? Over the years. It's tighter than it looks. It's nice to have the power to slide the ass end around, come out of the corner if I want to. Especially when it's tight like this. Switchbacky kind of stuff. Yeah. Again, 2020 Dork on the road would be like, what the hell are you doing? I could show him a video of me, himself, doing this. Ooh, I am going to shut the ABS off before I go down this muddy hill. And he'd be like, that's Photoshop. I don't want to be dealing with that ABS kicking in. Oh shit. Going down the hill. I never did put a tender plug on this, did I? Did we do that? I sort of assumed I'd be charging it up quite a bit today. Alright, slippery, muddy downhill. Steeper than it looks, you're just going to have to trust me. You can tell by the ruts how steep it is because people spin their tires coming up. So the deeper the rut, the steeper the hill. Now this is probably a 12-foot drop. All right, and we survived.